Hey everyone, hope you're doing well today. We're going to do a quick video to block a buyer on eBay. So it's a pretty simple process. It should only take us 2 minutes. For me, the main time I would actually block a buyer would be when I think someone is trying to scam me or when someone has unfortunately already scammed me. So um, let's go straight to it, I guess. So I use eBay.ie just because it's my local region. Okay, so go to eBay, then go to my eBay, just click straight on it. Then it's a little bit slow today, so we are going to scroll down to shortcuts. There's two ways you can go to it. You can go to block bidders, which is the most direct way, or you can go to site preferences. For today, let's just go straight to it. We're going to go block bidders. Okay, so in here you can block certain types of buyers and transactions and items like this. You can see here I block items where I don't actually post it to. I think that's pretty common. To block an individual user though, we're going to use this one here. Manage blocked buyers list. Okay, so we click into it. So in here now we can block any eBay users we don't want to do it. Okay, so the most important thing is we need to separate if we have multiple ones by a comma. So we get their user ID, go in this box, so put a comma, then go. Once we have them, we can say blocked user IDs and then comma to end it. And all we need to do here now is click submit, and once we submit, anybody with this user ID will not be able to purchase from our store. So I'm not going to do it today, so I already have a few people blocked to have. But that's the simple process of doing it. Just make sure you put a comma at the end before the next one and you're done. Thanks everyone. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, have a good day. Thank you. Bye.